Revenue of a company or production or manufacturer is denoted by the line in red. Okay, so when the quantity sold is 0, therefore the profit will be 0. So as the quantity increases, the profit will also increase. All right, the profit increase. Okay, so from here, the price or the value, the total amount of revenue will increase here. If you look at the blue lines, okay, the blue lines we have starting from a higher point here, which means that when Q is equal to 0, there's no production, but there's still a cost here, which is the fixed cost. Alright? So the graph will also increase as the production level increases. So from here we can see that the intersection point will be the point where the manufacturer experiences what we call the break-even point. Okay? So at this point, profit is equal to 0. Okay? Let's look at the graph again. Now in this shaded area, we notice that the revenue is higher than the cost. Alright? In this area, shaded area, we have the red line on top of the blue line. So this means the company will experience a profit because revenue is greater than cost. Whereas in this area, the initial stage, alright, initial stage here, the total cost is always higher than the revenue. So when R is less than C, therefore the manufacturer or the company will experience a loss. So in short, we can say if R is equal to C, which means revenue equals to cost, then the company will experience a break-even point. If R is less than C, the company will run at a loss. If R is greater than C, then it will make a profit there. Okay? Let's look at an example here. Example 13. A company is selling a product at a price of 45 ringgit per unit. So this is the selling price for 1 unit. Then the variable cost per unit is 33 ringgit, while the fixed cost is 450,000 ringgit. So how many units have to be sold in order to break even? So what we need to do is to first find the total cost. So total cost is equal to variable cost plus fixed cost. The variable cost is 33 per unit times the quantity. So we have 33Q plus 450,000. Next, the total revenue is P times Q. So P will be the selling price per unit, which is 45 times Q. So since we are asked to find the number of units sold in order to break even, so at break-even point, revenue is equal to cost. So revenue is 45Q equals to cost 33Q plus 450,000. Therefore, shift 33 to the left, we have 45 minus 33 equals to 12Q equals to 450,000. Therefore, Q is equals to 37,000.